the side and give you shelter from the stormy weather. While you were drinking, maybe slip into a little bit of something sexy, baby. I like it when you move it just like that. I like it with a little twist like that. I like it when you move it just like that.
Hi, I'm Pina from Fashion Justice. Welcome back to my channel, and if we have not met before, then welcome to my channel for the very first time. So this week's video is a review of the very famous and most popular Jeffree Star Magic Concealer and Powder. Now, these came out a couple of weeks ago. I just ordered them, I think last week. So actually I got them in the mail pretty quickly and I was so excited to try it. And I mean, I think the results speak for themselves. Look at my skin. It is just, it's glowing. I just cannot believe how incredible this is. Also, if you don't know who Jeffree Star is, Jeffree Star of Jeffree Star Cosmetics is like the ultimate YouTube blogger. He started out on MySpace. He is just so incredible. Not only does Jeffree Star put his heart and soul into his products, as you can see, but he is just one of those people who believes that, you know, there is a space for everybody. He is quite a unique individual. And I think that ultimately what he has done for the cosmetics industry is just incredible because he's opened it up to so many diverse, different kinds of individuals. So Jeffree, we love you and your products are incredible. So let me get into why I think these products are just fabulous. This was the ad campaign for the concealer, and you can see Jeffree Star is right there in the middle in his pink suit, which what I would do if I could own that pink suit. It's just fabulous. And you can see here, it comes in 30 different colors. So Jeffree puts his heart and soul into his packaging as well as his product. So it's got, like, you can see a little pink diamond because pink is his trademark color. And it's got a little star on top. Now, if you drop this, it's going to break, so you don't want to drop it. But it's like the cutest, he would call it like Barbie style, magic wandy, almost like a fairy wand packaging. I mean, it is so much fun. So wow, for the custom packaging, like, this is really, really incredible. So the thing I really do respect is that with 30 shades, I mean, that pretty much tries and capture like a lot of different skin tones. He said that he tried it on a lot of different types of skin textures as well. Now, he also said that he's probably going to come out and add a few more shades. That really means that he intentionally wanted everybody to be able to wear this. And also at a $22 price point, that is a luxury product that is, you know, accessible to everyone. And so I think he puts a lot of that into his brand, and I have to really respect him for that. So what makes this product really actually very unique for a concealer is that the top here, when you like put this in the jar and take it out, there's a little hole there that I'm not sure you can see, but it's got a little hole and that carries a lot of product. So one swoop in the jar and this will take you, like, this will pretty much cover your face entirely for the purpose that you need it for. It gives you like full coverage, but yet it's not like so thick. So I mean, most of the concealers, when they do give you full coverage, they're so thick, and the minute you put them on, you've got to scurry to kind of like get the product kind of blended. Otherwise, it's going to just stay. This is nothing like that. It actually is thick, gives you coverage, but yet it blends so flawlessly on your face. Before doing this video, I was just playing with it because I was trying to figure out how I was going to show you on the video, and I put this on my hand and I went to take a shower and it was like not even coming off in the shower. So it has incredible staying power. This is not the first time that I wear it. I've worn it all week and I've noticed that it really does remain put. It has amazing staying power. It's not going anywhere. This is just one swoosh of the of the product. So this is just one time putting this in, and look how much product you get out of here. Now, I kind of screwed up the color, as I said, but you can't even tell because what happens is as you put it on, the white just sort of sinks into your skin and the color kind of goes away, as you can see. Then I apply the foundation and you can't tell that I'm wearing like a super white light concealer because I made a mistake. But I also mixed it in obviously with my foundation and my Born This Way concealer because the color is obviously closer to my skin tone. But that said, like, I think I'm going to order a couple more colors, and a lot of people, what they do with concealers is they mix their colors anyway. So needless to say, I don't even need to take this back. This is really for fair skinned people, but somehow you can just make it work. But if you do buy the color that's not right for you, you can return it. Now, Jeffree would say that he does not guarantee that it doesn't crease, but honestly, I am so super impressed. I have never ever seen a concealer that actually stays on, doesn't even crease. Now, I've been wearing this all week, and I am like so impressed with this concealer. And of course, the powder is just as incredible. I've been wearing it all week as well. And one of the things I did this week was I was actually mixing it with my other powders. And I'm not sure why I did that. I think I was kind of a little insecure, thinking maybe it wasn't going to do the trick. But yesterday and today, I actually wore nothing but this powder. I didn't mix it with any other powders, no layering. And this is the result. Like, it is quite amazing. It fills the pores. It must have anti-aging properties because it really, oh my God, it just makes your skin glow. I can't believe how incredible this is. And you put it on, it's got a beautiful texture because it's not thick. You put it on and it gives you the coverage that you need without even feeling like you're wearing a powder. You know how some powders are just kind of thick and you look in the mirror? This is like really light and it does the trick. It is just incredible. It makes your skin just glow. So it's important to know that it smells like cotton candy, which some reviewers have said that it bothers them. I mean, I don't think the smell is like overly, it's not crazy. I mean, it smells nice, but then obviously once you apply it, the smell just dissipates. So I'm not bothered by the smell at all. In fact, it's just kind of kitschy and fun. And I just think it kind of like works with the packaging. And this is what it looks like in the inside. So you've got like the section with the little holes and then the other section where you can just sort of apply it. It also retails for $22. And it's a little bit less than what you would get, I'd say, for most powders. I'd also say for the Magic Concealer, $22, great price, but maybe a little less than what you would get, which I think is fine. And I think it just gives everybody the option of, you know, making it affordable and everybody can try it. I have nothing but amazing things to say about this product. In fact, I recommend that you give it a shot if you can afford the $22. And even if you're like me and you buy the wrong shade, it's difficult to pick the right shades over the internet, obviously, but they do kind of guide you in terms of the undertones that you have. And again, I mean, look, I bought the white one, which is like totally the wrong color for me, and yet I have been able to make it work. So there you have it. There was so much hype about these two products when they came out like a couple of weeks ago. There was also scandal because they had been stolen. A number of them had been stolen from Jeffree's a warehouse in LA. So some of those might be on the black market. And I think it's the C5 concealer. And I think that he repackaged that C5. So some of them are probably on the black market. But again, totally impressed. It lived up to its expectation. Jeffree, you are a star. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please consider giving it a thumbs up and subscribing to my channel for weekly tips and tricks on how to be your best, most fabulous self every single day. Because remember, life is short. Do not save your favorite clothes for a rainy day. get out there and be your best self tomorrow. Let me know what you're going to be doing today, tomorrow to be your best, most fabulous self. Also, I would ask if you're interested in amazing outfits. I would say maybe you want to check out my Instagram account, LawyerPina147, because I have a lot of fun with my outfits, and my second account, Glam by Pina. Thank you so much for watching. It means the world to me that you are here today. Mwah. Thank you. Have a great week, everybody, and I will see you here next week. Stay absolutely fabulous.